today we're gonna cook pancit kabagan, which is the Isabella's specialty. So first, we're gonna saute the pork until it's golden brown. This pancit kabagan is popular in Kabagan town of Isabela. It makes uses of Miggy noodles, lechon karahay or lechon kawali, and quail eggs, similar to pancit batil, but however, in Kabagan, the quail eggs are boiled. We'll just wait to get the pork cooked, then we'll proceed to our aromatics. Once the pork is cooked, we'll set it aside, then proceed to our onion and garlic.
So now, we will take the aromatics. So first, the onion. Then next, the garlic. The next is the liver. The next is we will saute the carrots. Then next we will add the other vegetables. So after this, we will set it aside to proceed to the next step.
So next, for the slurry, we will need 1 cup of the stock and then 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. So after that, for our slurry mixture, we will need 4 cups of stock and then 1/4 cup of soy sauce. After the soy sauce, we will need oyster sauce. We will bring this to a boil and then we will add our cornstarch mixture. Now that it's boiling, we will put in our cornstarch mixture. After that, we will then put pepper. And then fish sauce to taste.
So now we will be adding half of our vegetable mixture into the sauce. So now we will add our Mickey noodles into our pancit mixture. So now we will add our liempo that has been set aside for a while, and we will just mix this, and then our next step will be our plating.